well moved around, got new pictures on the wall. But every corner whispers like you never left at all. I threw away your sweater, even burned our playlist. Told myself I'm better, but I still taste the first kiss. I walk around pretending that I'm finally doing fine, but every time I breathe alone, you're still running through my mind. And I don't know why it lingers, why your name's still on my tongue. Every memory's a trigger, and my healing's just begun. It still feels like you in this silence, like your ghost never left this room. Never left my fake, it's defiance, but I'm drowning in your perfume. I moved on in theory, but not in truth. Tried to forget, but I lost that fight too. Cause even with time and a brand new view, it still feels like you. One buck's not on the table, but I still make 2 cups of tea. I don't text you anymore, but I scroll where you might be. I smile in front of people, say I'm finally over that. But at 2 AM I wonder if you're ever looking back. They say time would do the healing, but the clock just ticks too slow. And I still find your shadow in the places I don't show. It still feels like you in this silence, like your ghost never left this room. Never left my fake, it's defiance, but I'm drowning in your perfume. I moved on in theory, but not in truth. Tried to forget, but I lost that fight too. Cause even with time and a brand new view, it still feels like you. One day I wake up and I reach out in my sleep, and another day this heart will find someone it can't keep. But for now I walk this road alone, wearing love that's overgrown. So I pack dreams we drew, try to repaint this life anew. But no matter what I say,